Here we've got MEIZU M5S, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, make sure that you are in contacts, and now pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, for example Ali. Then click on Edit and tap on this profile picture right here. And you can either use one from the emojis right here. As you can see, you've got plenty of them, so it's super easy. Actually, not easy because you've got a lot of choices, but it's super nice to pick something for your friend and that is just suitable, for example this one. Or you can pick something from your gallery, so just click on gallery, pick if you'd like to choose something from files or gallery, and then just pick the picture that you want to apply. Then you can crop it. Let me go with this face, for example, and click on OK, and it will be applied. But actually I will go with one from those emojis. And tap on that then. Click on Save, and as you can see from now on, this picture is assigned to Ellie, and anytime she will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.